The astonishing ways your children save your marriage from failure. Hi friends, welcome to Marriage Realities, a comprehensive relationship channel. This video is all about how your children literally save your marriage from failure. Do you know there are many a time your children save your marriage from failure? My husband has changed drastically after marriage. He's not the person I loved. In fact, nowadays there's nothing common between us except our children. I'm staying in my marriage only for the sake of the happiness of my children. Farida, my friend's daughter, bitterly told me, "My children love their father. And if I go in for a divorce, I know that it will shatter the emotional security," the young girl continued. I was taken aback when Farida uttered these bitter words. The young girl's harsh statement about her married life astonished me. Her marriage was just 10 years old. She and the husband had been so much in love and they married only after a long struggle with their adamant parents. And the statement that she did not like her relationship with the husband shocked me. What made Farida stay in a marriage she disliked? It was because of the unconditional love she had for her children. Farida did not want to inflict the pain of a broken home on them. Can you see how the children of Farida literally anchored a torturing marriage from plunging into the rough sea of divorce? In fact, there are many couples who live an unloving married life just like my friend's daughter. And they stay in the marriage just for the sake of the children. Yes, it is a harsh fact that the only cementing force of many failing marriages is the children. During your love days, you never really have any major relationship issues with your spouse. All you want is to marry a spouse and live happily ever after with him or her. Sadly, no marriage is that easy. There is no happily living ever after in any married life. It is an uphill task to make your marriage work, as you'll face unending emotional battle with your spouse 24/7. And dealing with emotions is often very tiring and nerve-wracking. When you find it impossible to stay in your marriage, all you want is a divorce from your spouse. But you pause before taking the final plunge as you're worried about the emotional upheaval your children will have to undergo. It is a harsh fact that the only cementing force in your marriage is often your children. Shall we now see how your children pull your marriage out of the pitfall it has fallen into? When your rosy dreams about your spouse is dashed to the ground, you do not want to stay in your relationship. When there is no understanding between you, your family life becomes chaotic and traumatic. The love you had for each other soon loses its vitality and newness. Your marriage slowly but surely drifts towards failure. You now feel that nothing can save your marriage from its disastrous failure. But a surprising anchor in the form of your children springs up to save your marriage. You love your children as your life. Unlike the love you have for your spouse, the love you have for your children is selfless and unconditional. You will do nothing to hurt your children. You want nothing else in your life than the happiness of your children. Though you want to divorce your spouse, you know that your separation would emotionally shatter your children. This is something you will never allow your children to undergo. So, you forego your thoughts about divorce and make efforts to adjust and live through your miserable married life just for the sake of your children. Your spouse also loves his or her children. Your spouse too will never do anything to make your children unhappy. The mutual love both have for your children pulls your shaky married life from drifting too far away towards failure. What magic do your children create that they save your marriage from drifting towards the divorce court? Parental love is mutual to you and your spouse. You love your children so much that you will do anything to make them happy, even if it meant living through your unhappy married life. You know that if you separate from your spouse, your children will lose the emotional security of a united family. The emotional dependency of your children on you and your spouse makes you hesitate to take the extreme step of annulling your marriage. How many of you feel that it is your children who make your married life overcome the bitterness that has creeped into your relationship? I'm sure many of you feel so. But when you adjust with your spouse for the sake of your children, it brings in many surprising and beautiful changes in your married life. A conversation I had with Selvi, a girl I knew, made me realize that your children tighten your relationship. I'm sure you too would agree with me. This weekend I had a fight with my husband and I did not want to talk to him as the words he spoke hurt me that badly. Selvi had an angry look in her face. What happened then? I asked the young girl with a worrying look. My son wanted to go to a theme park as it was weekend. But I hated to go out with my husband because my hurt was that deep, Selvi went on. I also did not have the heart to disappoint my son. So I agreed to this outing. But I did not talk with my husband. In fact, I did not even look at him, she further added. Do you know an astonishing thing happened in the theme park? Selvi continued. My son was unaware about the tension that existed between us. He was talking excitedly to us about how much he was enjoying himself. Selvi suddenly brightened up. Surprisingly, the enthusiasm of my son made me forget my bitterness against my husband. We shared fun and laughter together and things were back to normal between us, she said with a bright face. This is the positive effect your children have on your relationship. They form an emotional bridge between you and your spouse. There are many more ways your children save your marriage. The playful antics of your children always makes you and your spouse cheerful. It lightens the tense atmosphere between you. Your children's innocent conversation cheer up the strained relationship you have with your spouse. Your children also become a common topic to interact with your spouse. You have so much to do for your children. And naturally, you turn towards your spouse to fulfill your parental duties. In your endeavor to make your children happy, you adjust with your spouse. Your children literally give your family an emotional umbrella of happiness and fulfillment. No other aspect in your relationship has this awesome power. You adjust with your spouse to make your marriage work for the sake of your children. You do not want your children to suffer the complexities of a broken home. Your children act as a connective bridge between you and your spouse. They help you to hold your torturing marriage together. Your children also act as oxygen to your dying marriage. They narrow the widening rift between you. Does this mean your marriage survives only because of your children? If this was the case, why do couples with children divorce? Why do many children suffer the trauma of a broken home? It is true that your marriage cannot survive without love. Your children can only make you live in the same house, but they cannot make you love each other. Did this video make you understand how your children literally save your marriage? Marriage Realities will have many such relationship eye-openers. Subscribe to my channel to understand your marriage in a new light. Press the bell icon for updates about my latest relationship videos. Make love forever until death do us part your relationship goal.